Hello guys, and welcome back to my new video. Today I will show you how to make halftone transition in easy steps without Pro. So, let's start the video without wasting time. Set your clips according to your song beat. If you want to learn how to set clips to beats for better beat sync edit, comment down. Screenshot this halftone overlay. Add the overlay and split. Zoom like this. Then, go to Splice and select Overlay. Now, add 2 keyframes at the starting and ending point. Go to second keyframe and click Opacity and adjust to 0. Now, add Shake Effect. Split like this and add 2 keyframes at the starting and ending point. Go to first keyframe and adjust the value to 100%, 100%. Go to second keyframe and adjust the both value to 0%. Go to Object and select All Video. Click on Graph section and select Cubic Out Graph. Duplicate the effect. Apply to all clips. Now go to Video Effects section and select Oblique Blur Effect. Split like this. Add 2 keyframes at the starting and ending point and adjust the first keyframe value to 100% and second to 0. Go to Object and select All Video. Apply to all clips. Here's the final result.
I hope this video will help you to improve your editing. Thanks for watching.